Ka komiti belatung da sorkar jela belakli da Dr. Didi Lapang kum ucaman banyak keren bat bisyar penyak halor ka jingdon kam bantau no da ka an nak benta kirang ba snong kala nang peniar susu ela ka jong katnat nak benta banyak tat sa halor ka phang ka bai dei ba ka jingtmu ban penkalano ne amen ya ka khirnet ka ba henrio ne ka 6 schedule jong kariti sensar ka ri India da sorkar kemi habe keren bekilat pathai kubor hadin belawa ka jingelang hapo sekretariat u Dr. Lapang ulai thu bakane komiti kala thau se ka working committee bat ka legal sub committee banya tai sani bat ngam jeli shu sahalor kani ka benta ka bai dei bat ka jingtmu ka sarkar keme ban penkalano ek 6 schedule naba kani ka long ru kamat ka ba kongsan hadu ka ta ka badan jinge dei bat ki khle nong sensar snong lem bat ki riti dustur jangi ya kani ka working committee an khle do Dr. WR Khasieng kum chairman bat uba SD Khongwer kum ko chairman nalor ki wei pat ki dekhot kat baya ka legal sub committee an khle do ba KS Kinjing ubelong advocate general jong jilla lembat ki wei de ki dekhot uni chairman kani ka committee ulai thu ru ba ka sarkar ka aipor ban pendep hapo lai bana ya ka jing keren halor ka benta ka baya de ba ka jing dan kam ban thau ano ya ki rang ba snong bat kan kut men tau banai de kani committee kala rai ban panpor biang sa ar banai banyak tai sani sahalor ka benta ka bai dei ba ka jingtmu ban penkalano ek 6 schedule.
I am not constitute this committee to make this crisis amendment and Supreme Court. Not for this. Don't mix up. I told we are not decided to involve ourselves with this. Our responsibility go with this. We can wash our hand in this. What did it become? Our responsibility is this guidelines go strictly on this and bring your model. Restitution, I mean the crop selling. The modalities doesn't mean to create modalities by this Supreme Court decision. The modalities are go to the deep down to the grassroots level and go to the amendment of the schedule. How far will affect here? And we'll see that we'll request the government of Meghalaya to forward the observation that amendment will be intact so that the customary laws will not be affected. And also, rather it should be improved. So we can see that the existence of tradition will not be in any way damaged by ordinance.